All right, guys. First of all, to sort out any confusion, I will be using a test bot in this footage here. The bot you can use is in my Honkai Star Rail Discord server, and we can quickly swap to it. As you can see right here, this is the Discord bot, VLTI. So if you join the server and only the server, unless you are a supporter, that's where you can use the bot. If you want the bot in your server, it's not publicly available. Only supporters can get it. If you want to become a supporter, you can run the invite command, blah, blah, blah. Go to the Ko-fi, become a supporter, and then you can get the bot. So before anybody starts asking me again how you can get the bot. So what did I add? We did add player profile cards, profile sheets, whatever you want to call them. First of all, the command, very simple. It's image generation. Obviously, the layout is not as thought through as the one on the Genshin one, because I did this on the fly, as many who know me. When I have something to do, I just start, and then I adjust it midway through coding, especially when it comes to laying out a certain layout or something, right? So if you have access to this command, you run the command with your user ID, in-game user ID of Honkai Star Rail. It's, I think, in the bottom left corner of your screen, usually, on desktop at least. No idea about mobile. And then it will check the current support character you have listed, and it will generate an image for it. Simple as that. Basically, what we have on Genshin with the Enka.network. And yeah, don't mind the layout. There might be some changes in the future, but yeah, this is it for now. Obviously you can also look up all the three other characters. However, you cannot generate a card with it because I wrote the command in a very specific way that you can only generate a card for your current support character. But if you want to look up all the other characters too, you can run slash profile instead slash profile card. Same thing, I'm linked, so I don't need to use my user ID. But if you're not linked, you have to type in your user ID. And here's basically the information we have here, just in raw text form. And then also you can swap to the other characters here. Obviously, Seely is on the profile twice because I have her set as the support character. And then the second row where you can enter two additional characters. Yeah, I have her in there too, which doesn't make sense. I should probably remove her from there. But yeah, here you can see we can go through. My Danheng is not built. So just so you know, here we have my key part, which is somewhat built, obviously not built at all. If you see the levels of the relics and the stats, you'll know it's not really that built. And yeah, that's the two additions I've done to the bot. I hope you enjoyed this. Make sure to tell your friends about this feature. Okay, take care.